stocks that's doing really well for itself today is Sapphire Foods. And Mangalam, you will tell us why.
Well, we've been talking about how quick service restaurants may perhaps have turned a corner. Seems like it, because Sapphire Foods, the one which was, trading at the biggest discount to its peers, has actually seen a bit of an up move today, up 9%. For the last few trading sessions has been doing well. I was looking at the exchanges. They have a couple of analyst meets scheduled. They have a meeting tomorrow with the management of, the analysts at Motilal Oswal, and thereafter on March 10th, they have Sundaram Alternate as well, the analyst of which the company is meeting. So we will try to, see some brokerage notes emanating from the meeting with Motilal Oswal, and perhaps we'll keep an eye out on what happens with Sundaram Alternate as well. But short point is that trends are reversing. If you look at it, in the third quarter as well, the decline in SSSG for KFC was arrested from 368 on the negative side. It moved to about -3 in the third quarter itself. Look at Pizza. Pizza's done a lot better after many quarters of a decline in SSSG. In the third quarter itself, same-store sales growth improved. And add to that, we had, the analyst at Goldman Sachs join us on his note, Arnab Mitra, who did say that the tide is turning for India QSR. And in that, his top pick was Sapphire. They prefer Sapphire and Devyani as they liked long-term structural opportunity in KFC. They believe that, the several value offerings that these companies have made will hold them in good stead. I was looking at all the analyst calls as well. This is from Bloomberg, where 79% of the analysts on Sapphire Foods too have an average target price of 370 with a buy call. All the others who are bullish on this space are decreasingly so for Devyani, Jubilant and Westlife, but that's largely because of valuation-related concerns. So there are offers in terms of valuation for Sapphire Foods as well, in terms of support coming in. And the final thing that we'll be tracking in Sapphire, and this is something that keeps going on every once in a while, this is any sort of merger, buzz around consolidation of Yum Brands franchises in India. Is that likely to happen? Not in the near future. Does the rumor continue? Always. Is that buzz which always takes place? Well, this happens every time, you hear a big move on Sapphire. So just wanted to put all things into perspective when we're tracking the move that we're seeing on Sapphire Foods. They're meeting analysts. Recently, the business turned a corner. Analysts are positive on the company. And at the same time, there's always that buzz on, the impending merger between the Yum franchises.
Bucket full of gains, box full of gains, you may call it as you please, but the screen showing a 9% up move there for Sapphire Foods. A very good day at the office, 6% higher in the last month as well. You would take that on a time when the broader markets have been down anywhere 10 to 15% over the last 1 month. But staying with